In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Twitter account to Hootsuite, which will allow you to manage and schedule your tweets all from one central location. This is a fantastic way to streamline your social media strategy, especially if you're managing multiple accounts or planning posts in advance. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up your web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any browser of your choice. In the address bar, type in hootsuite.com and hit enter. This will take you to Hootsuite's main website where you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't set up an account yet, go ahead and create one by following the on-screen instructions. But for those who already have an account, simply enter your login details and proceed. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top right corner of your Hootsuite dashboard. There you'll see your profile icon or your username. Click on this area to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select either My Profile or Manage Social Networks. Both options will eventually lead you to the same spot where we can add new social media accounts. So choose the one that's available. Now that you're in the right section, look for the option that says plus add a social network and give it a click. This action will present you with a list of various social networks that you can connect to Hootsuite. From this list, find and select Twitter. The next step is crucial, as you'll be redirected to a new window that asks for your Twitter login credentials. Here, you'll need to enter your Twitter username and password. It's important to ensure that your login information is correct to avoid any unnecessary errors. After entering your details, you'll see an option to authorize Hootsuite to access your Twitter account. Approve this request by clicking Authorize App. Once the authorization process is complete, congratulations! Your Twitter account is now successfully connected to Hootsuite. It's as straightforward as that. With these steps done, you can start taking advantage of Hootsuite's features to manage and schedule your tweets right from within your Hootsuite dashboard. Thank you for tuning in today. By following these simple instructions, you've linked your Twitter to Hootsuite, setting yourself up for more efficient social media management. Whether you're planning to schedule tweets days, weeks, or even months in advance, or simply keeping track of your Twitter activity, your Hootsuite dashboard is now your go-to tool. Enjoy the newfound efficiency in managing your social media presence, and as always, feel free to comment with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Until next time, happy tweeting.